So in this video, we're going to talk about how to rotate a certain triangle through a different point by a measure angle of, in this case, 60 degrees. And this is what it's going to look like. We're going to have our triangle and point X. The first thing you want to do is make a line segment that connects A with X. So we're going to make a line segment that connects A with X. Now in this case, you want to measure a 60-degree angle from X. So I'm going to put my protractor down. Remember that this center point is supposed to be on X. And you also want to make sure that this line here is lined up with your line segment that's underneath. So we're going to twist it or rotate it a little to make sure that it's lined up. Now it seems like this is lined up with the line segment. I'm going to measure 60 degrees. So I'm going to count out 60 degrees along here, and I'm going to put a little dot at 60 degrees. You could put the dot on the outside or the inside of the protractor, it doesn't matter. Then I'm going to connect this new dot with my X, and all of the points on this line segment are going to be 60 degrees away from all the points on this line segment, because this is a 60-degree angle. Now, in order to figure out how far away A prime should be, you want to take your compass and you want to measure from X to A. So you're going to open up the compass so that it's the same measurement. You're going to draw an arc from X to A, and then you're going to make a new arc on the new line segment that you just drew. And that is in fact A prime. So we're going to label this A prime. Now we're going to do the same thing for B and for C. So I'm going to make a line segment that connects C with X. From this new line, I'm going to measure a 60-degree angle. So 60 degrees is about right here. And then I'm going to extend the line from X through that point. And then I'm going to measure from X to C, closing my compass. And then I'm going to do another arc on my second line segment. And that's my C prime. And then I'm going to do a third one from B. So line segment from B to X. Then I'm going to measure 60 degrees. Another tick right here at 60. I'm going to connect X to this new point, and then I'm going to measure from X to B. And then on the new line segment, I'm going to make another tick mark, and that's my B prime. Then I'm going to connect all three of these, B prime to C, C prime to A prime, and A prime to B prime. And now I have two triangles that have been rotated. Remember, this is my first triangle here, and rotated 60 degrees, it winds up here. This is definitely a rigid motion, so the two triangles are congruent with the same orientation.